$2,000 a month, 100% from day trading, and the reason's simple, because that's how much my mortgage costs, and I wanna make sure I pay my mortgage. And in this video, we're gonna be talking about how the journey's been going so far and how I'm gonna document this journey moving forward. Let's jump into it. If you're somebody who finds value in what I'm doing, make sure you smash that subscribe and like button so other people can follow this journey and learn along with us. The month of January has been so good to me. Let me show you what stocks I traded so far this month. So these are the stocks that I traded in the month of January. So we had some pretty big winners this month, and it's been absolutely phenomenal, and I'm super thankful for it. I'm not comfortable sharing the specific dollar amounts yet, except for that $2,000 goal. But let's just say we are up 8.3% this month, which is absolutely amazing, which means that we hit our $2,000 a month goal. What are some rules that I have for myself in this trading challenge? Well, I want to make sure that I have a 1-to-2 ratio, meaning if I'm risking $100, I need to be making about $200 and only losing that $100. As long as your income is greater than your expenses, right? You have a profitable business. That's where the ratios come in, and that's what's going to help me stay in this trading game. We hit our $2,000 a month goal for the month of January. How are we going to do this again for the month of February? Let's take a look. We're going to be looking at three things, okay? We're going to be looking at earnings, we're going to be looking at news, and we're going to be looking at economic reports. Let's dive in here and let me show you what I mean. So earnings, we have Palantir, AMD, Amazon, Pfizer, PayPal. We have some big companies reporting earnings, and the predictions on how they think their company is going to do in the future is really going to dictate where the market is headed and where investors feel confident in particular companies or in the market overall. The next thing that we're looking at is, of course, we have to watch out for what Trump is saying or predicting or what's going on in the background. Right now, we have a nominee for the new federal chairman, and we're going to see what happens there. And then we, of course, have to look at economic reports. What is the data showing us overall that's happening in our economy to make us be more bullish or bearish? We need to keep an eye on that to see what investors are thinking there, and that's what's going to help us dictate where we're going to put our money to make sure that we make educated decisions to help be profitable this month. So what are some stocks that I'm going to be looking at? Of course, Palantir, AMD, Amazon, those big earning plays that are coming up as well. But we want to make sure that we keep an eye on Bitcoin because it had a massive sell-off, and we're going to make sure and watch and keep an eye out on it if it's going to bounce or continue to sell off and whether we should short that opportunity. And we want to make sure that we keep an eye on NVIDIA because AMD and NVIDIA in that chip space, making sure that it either continues to be bullish or bearish, and we take advantage of those plays as well. Moving forward, when it comes to documenting this journey on making this $2,000 a month to pay my mortgage, I'm going to be trying to post every single day on all platforms. Make sure that you follow me to stay up to date on what I'm doing and the trades that I'm making. I have a community called Elevate Wealth where I document my trades and journey and help other people grow on Instagram. We're going to be making a Discord, so make sure that you follow me on all platforms to stay up to date on how I'm doing in this journey, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.